What are we going to do today? Okay, so we've got the bike loaded up with a few things, just in case we go and stay somewhere the night. We really don't know what we're doing. We're in the middle of Denpasar now. We're just going to grab some jajam for breakfast and a juice and then head off, I don't know, maybe up through Guyana, see what we can see somewhere. We don't know. So we're just riding past through Guyana and we spotted this. Now we've been here once before. I could have even done a video on it. It's called UC Silver. Now this is a big giant silver shop. They've got everything from silver glasses to you can buy anything. There's a big restaurant down the back and they've got this like 750 kilo dragon, solid silver dragon in here. So we're going to go in and check that out real quick, then hit the road. Right. Alright. Okay, so this is where the dragon is. And in here you've got everything, all different types of gems and crystals and things, and these are giant. Look at the size of them, from all over the world. But this is sort of what I come to see, is the dragon. I think it's like 6 or 7 dragons all joined together, but it's all solid silver. And it's absolutely massive, probably goes for a good 15 metres. And all these men holding it up on the bottom here are all brass, you know. It's all solid silver. Apparently it's worth over $1 million, this silver dragon. Yeah, I think it's 7 or 8 dragons all intertwined, you know. How unreal is that? And then all around it, it's really worth coming in to have a look. You've got these giant, look at the size of this crystal. Massive, and it's got where they're from. They're from all over the world, different gemstones and stones and things, you know. How's this building? It's like a big, I don't know, like a big upside down boat or something. These giant rings and that, all out of silver. Now there is a big shop that sells gold and silver and that here, but you're not allowed to film in there. We might see if I can get in and film something, but last time I'm pretty sure they kicked us out. These are like crowns. But this dragon's amazing. It's got to be at least probably 20 metres long, I suppose. It would be. Yeah, it's worth a look. It's free to come in here. So if you're in, it's actually in Batubulan, and it's not far from Sanur. It's probably about 10 to 15 minutes on a motorbike past Sanur. And all this all solid silver, a little town. Or Balinese temple or something. Okay, so it says it's 720 kilos of sterling silver, the dragons, and it's made up of 9 dragons intertwined, yeah. Check out this, it's all amethyst and it's like 3 metres high or something. Look at the size of it. I wonder how much it'd be worth. It'd be worth a fortune. So this is ammonite. It's actually from Canada and it's a fossil. Check it out. It's pretty big. Be about 400 millimetres, about 40 centimetres. This is more amethyst from Brazil. And this crystal's pretty cool. Look at this one. How clear it is. It's from Brazil as well, clear crystal. The size of this building is absolutely massive. It's got a big building down the back, which is a restaurant or something like that. And there's also a place where you can do all classes and they make all the silver and you can actually walk through and watch them making all the silver. So we'll go and check that out. Okay, so you can do silver classes here and make a ring or something like that. 775,000, about 75 bucks. But this is actually where they make all the silver and that. And yeah, you can see me, he's pressing out, making some chain or something, or rings. This guy's setting gems. Okay, so this is where they polish all the stones and all the silver. They're all polishing different stuff and polishing the rings and get them ready for sale. Yeah. And here up on the 3rd floor is a big restaurant, yeah. Cafe restaurant. It's more or less on the roof of the building. It's very big. Check out the roof, isn't it? Wow, and it goes right back through here too. Very nice. So if you come here, you can always have lunch or something like that if you want.
For coffee or food?
No, just looking.
Just looking? Okay. Maybe you can see.
Makasih Pak, mari.
Yeah. So Buck's just telling us that he was a Bali dancer, been to Australia dancing around in a dance troupe. Alright, so there's a little cafe here too. So that's about it. We're going to hit the road and keep moving. All the way along here is a lot of stoneworks. You can see all the statues everywhere. The whole road's just full of them. So must be where they do a lot of the statues for temples and things like that. Okay, so we're getting hungry. We're going to stop in here, have a look at this place, WEDJA. Yep. Alright. Coffee. So I don't know what this is really, whether it's a big bungalows or hotel or something, is it? Or what? It's a resort, is it? We thought it was just a restaurant, but apparently it's a resort with a restaurant, so anyway, we'll check it out. Hello. Hi. It's a little restaurant. A lot of tourists here by the look of it. Oh, it's nice. Look, they've got a big pond here with all a giant koi and that in it. Yeah, I suppose more of a restaurant than a warung. It's like a joggalo type thing. Alright. Very nice. Wow, this is different for a restaurant, isn't it? Got their own little man-made waterfall at the back here. Check that out. Unreal. Yeah, see, we didn't even know what it was. We thought it was a restaurant right on the road and we thought we'd have an early lunch. But yeah, we'll see if we can walk around through it or something. Oh, and it's just gardens everywhere. Wow, what's up here? So how is this? They got these like fog machines, like mist machines all through it all. There's another waterfall up here. How nice is this joint? There's another restaurant by the look of it up the back here. So we'll go and check that out. If you can get up there. Doesn't look like you can. There's another photo spot, another waterfall. Oh, these must be the little bungalows at the back. Little bungalows, yeah. Very nice, all made out of bamboo. Wow, look at this. Just opens up onto some rice paddies. How good's this? And then back to the restaurant again. Alright. Okay, so the menu is sort of, they actually cook it in the bamboo. So yeah, there's a lot of chicken and duck and camping, like goat. There's a lot of satays, like satay lilit, marlin, goat and chicken. There's a lot of fish actually, different things. There's rice and noodles, a basic Balinese menu. And they got parmesanas. How's this? Parmesanas, chicken parmesana, dory, like a fish parmesana, and a WEDJA burger. I don't know what that is, just a hamburger. Then they got salads. Yeah, and desserts. Yeah. Okay. So this is the chicken in the bamboo, some calamari. Oh, sambal mata, is it? Alright. Very nice.
Yeah, enjoy please.
Thank you.
Yeah, makan
Mungkin tambah satu nasi deh. Nanti tambah satu ya.
All right, so that's it. The half ayam kampung. Really got a lychee tea and I got a coconut. Check that out. Very nice.
Banyak.
Now I feel like I've got to eat this with my hands, so just doesn't seem right eating it with a spoon, you know. We'll try a bit of this chicken. It's not too bad. Very spicy actually. It might even be sort of like some type of curry or what. Is it a curry or not? It's like batutu, yeah. More like batutu. Okay, so that was pretty good. Half a chicken and that, 315,000. Thank you.
The change?
No, it's okay.
No change?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so back on the road. Okay, so we're just passing this. We're in just on the border of Sukawati, I suppose it is. And it's the baby statue. It's erected in 1989. It's just a giant baby. It looks like a giant Buddha or something. And there's a lot of offerings here, so I suppose the locals come here and pray to the baby. I don't know whether it's a Buddha or what it is. The big baby statue. Huh. Unusual. It looks good, it looks ancient with all the moss and that on it. Alright, so we'll hit the road, keep moving. Okay, just heading into Katawal. Right, I thought we'd just stop and cool down here on the nice sea breeze blowing. And this is Lembang Beach. You can see over here is the Bali Beach Hotel, the big 10-storey thing, and that's Sanua just there. We're basically right on Katawal, then Sanua. So there's a lot of rubbish on the beach after them floods and that. Just check out all the timber. It's not so much garbage, a lot of it's just wood and logs and stuff. Yeah, this is Lembang Beach anyway. Very nice, at least nice and cool here. There's a nice little temple here. It's all made out of coral and that, all the fences and that of it. Alright, so that was a good little road trip, you know. Yeah, it was good fun, something to do. You know, that's how we explore. We just get on the bike and go, and if we see something we want to stop, we stop and have a look. So anyway, I hope you like that video. If you like the video, thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.